Hey all, welcome to ShareTrack. This is Raj here. Friends, today I want to focus on PACB and Illumina. There is news on both these companies. And I would also like to thank you all for helping this channel cross 4,000 subscribers. 4,000 is a big number. A year and a half ago when I started this channel, I didn't even know if I could get 10 subscribers. So thank you all for all your support. And I'll continue to make efforts to improve myself as a creator and as a presenter. And improve the quality of the videos. I'd also like to thank, in particular, a few subscribers that have been extremely supportive of this channel. They are Inf, Ishkadesh, Jesse Isaacson, John Pagakis, Michael Mathoff, Birjit, and Wait is Endless, Prabal Pandey, and our two Patreons, Jason and Howard. Thanks a lot for your support. It's financially helping the channel as well. So it's a big thank you from me. We have crossed 4,000. We are at 4,005 subscribers. The next target is 5,000. And friends, I was planning to switch on the membership facility, but I had done that in the Indian channel. And it seems that I had put the lowest tier at $3.99 is just to support the channel. And guess what YouTube gave me? YouTube gave me 81 cents out of the $3.99. And they don't have a straight answer for how come I got so less, because it's supposed to be a 70-30 split with the channel getting 70%. So I've just discovered that it's a black hole out there with YouTube and membership. So it has to be some other route. I'll find that out by the time we reach 5,000. So the membership plans have been shelved for the time being, but thanks a lot for everything. So let's get started now. Welcome back. We already know that D'Souza has departed the role of CEO in Illumina. Carl Icahn as a board member, and that Illumina has kept $453 million aside for the EU fine, which has to be 10% of the revenue of the company. It seems that that time is now. Anytime now, EU may impose the fine, and this will be a record fine in EU history. Will the new dispensation at Illumina decide to at least give a commitment to divest from Grail and avoid the penalty? That's what we need to see. Illumina shares have been dropping. I'll talk about the share price towards the end. Now, next, let me move on to PACB. PACB is a smaller company and has a decent amount of debt. When I say decent, I'm just being euphemistic. I was shocked to find that with a debt of $898 million, the debt to equity ratio of PACB stands at 129.9%. This is a rapid rise from 13.5% over the last 5 years. This is a very high financial leverage and is excellent for shareholders when the company is profitable, because the interest rate is fixed and does not increase with profits. However, in this high interest environment, renewals could be pricier, so one has to be cautious about PACB. However, recently we have news that Biosciences, a Frankfurt-based diagnostics company, has signed up with PACB for their Revio systems. Biosciences has clients across private clinics, hospitals, universities, institutes, government, drug manufacturers, and veterinary clinics, and it provides diagnostic services. Biosciences is a leading provider of diagnostic and genomic services in Europe. Previously, separate experiments like chromosome analysis, optical genome mapping, and short-read exome sequencing were required to diagnose these conditions that Biosciences is looking at. But now with Revio system, it eliminates the need for time-consuming and costly multi-stage vetting process that was formerly required for diagnosing rare diseases and developmental delay disorders. This way, it gets faster and easier to identify the genetic causes of rare diseases, improving diagnostics and treatment. It's never a sure thing when it comes to investments, but Illumina was a dominant force and had everything going in its favor until the Grail deal. Since mid-April, Illumina has dropped almost 20%. You would be shocked to know that Illumina price has dropped from 525 on 18th of August 2021 to the current 186. Currently, the Illumina price has a target of around $245. So that's the average price target from various analysts for Illumina in the near term. So it's a big fall, And everything is going in line for Illumina. It's on the top of the industry. It continues to make innovations. And I also spoke to you about Primate 3D, all those things. So I just hope that the new management decides to just let go of Grail and try to negotiate with EU to avoid the penalty and just move forward. That way they can salvage the share price, and any growth from here, from 186 to anywhere close to its recent peaks of 525 would be a killer for any portfolio. It will be amazing. PACB is playing a good game, but it is saddled with too much of debt. Goldman has a price target of $17, and the share price does not reflect the amount of debt in the balance sheet, in my opinion. On the other hand, the global whole genome sequencing market was valued at $1,645.2 million in 2022, and is anticipated to witness the compound annual growth rate of approximately 21.1% during the period from 2023 to 2030, according to industry research. So with this kind of growth statistics, I think everybody is bullish on the NSG sector, that is the genomic sequencing sectors. If one wants to be in the NSG investment space, it is difficult to avoid Illumina for sure. Then with the growing market size, there is the prospect that it may hit previous highs, assuming that it gets over its current hiccups with Grail. So I would like to know what you guys think about Illumina and PACB, and were you aware of the kind of debt that PACB is carrying? Do you have this in your portfolio, and are you profitable today? So that's what I would like to know. Please put it in the comment below. That's all for today. I'll catch up with you in the next video. Bye for now.